Welcome to Nautical Manufacturing and Fulfillment. We're excited to serve the Kansas City area with the opening of our newest warehouse. Launched in 2017, we're a veteran-owned third-party logistics and manufacturing company focused on driving economic and environmental sustainability on a global scale. Our newest 465,000 square foot warehouse is the home for our full-service 3PL center, offering inventory management, warehousing, and order fulfillment services to partners internationally. We also offer supply chain services upstream, helping your company source high-quality, environmentally friendly products from markets around the world, then distribute them to your business locally at significant cost savings. And we offer value-added fulfillment services like custom kitting and product sampling packaging to deliver world-class experiences to your customers. As the provider of a low-cost additive that rapidly breaks down single-use plastic products, we're helping address the global plastic pollution problem. By leveraging strategic partnerships with industry professionals at domestic and overseas manufacturing facilities, Nautical is committed to creating prosperity for all of our employees and partners. We're Nautical, and we're making waves for sustainable growth worldwide.